morning, this is Walter with Lawnzcapes. Thanks for joining us today. We're gonna be showing you how to clean your irrigation filter. Cleaning the filter is very important for the health of the system, to make sure that it runs smoothly, that there is no clogs in the sprinkler heads, in the rotors. Usually you will find it by your pump if you have a pump system like this one. And all you have to do is come over to the filter side. I had already unscrewed it, so it's a little soft. Take it out, and then you can check it and see how dirty it is. You're supposed to be able to see most of the grates here in the filter, and the inside is also really dirty. So we have a brush here. We're gonna brush it really quick. Some of this stuff may not come off. What's important is that it's not clogged. And then you just run it through some water. Try to get as much of the dirt as you can. Perfect. Now we can go back and reinstall it in the casing. Actually, let me put some water in here so that we can prime the pump. Okay. All right, so now we're gonna give the pump a shot. Let's start seeing here in the filter how the water starts moving. And that's a good sign, because it tells us that everything is good with the system, filter is clean. And now we should have water running without any issues. Put your sock back on. Good pressure. Perfect. That's it. Make sure you keep your filters clean, your pump's running, and everything will be good. Thank you for joining.